Hey, it's Scott Cameron with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, and today we're going to take a walk through the Scout 288 LXF, an absolutely gorgeous boat. This is in our Alpine Gray gel coat color, and if we go around to the transom here, we do have a swim ladder in the back. This boat's equipped with twin 300 horsepower V8 Mercury engines. And we also do have underwater lights equipped on the 288. So what we're going to do now is go in and check out the top side of the boat. All right, so now that we're in the cockpit, let's take a look at some of these amazing features on this boat. We have a very nice live well that goes all the way across on the transom. You have a bench seat in the back that easily folds away when you're fishing. On each side you have fish boxes to store your catch, and I love this area here. Behind the helm station you have a Yeti cooler. You have a little sink, little bait prep area, storage for your knives and your pliers with 4 additional rod holders and 2 cup holders. The Scout can opener, which I love, and you have storage for your tackle, little garbage here, and again more storage. And we're going to work our way to this awesome helm station. This 28's equipped with a 24-inch Garmin screen, so the latest technology, a fusion sound system, push button lighting controls. This boat's equipped with a joystick. This is the Cayenne interior, which is a beautiful interior, nice accented lighting, and you have spreader lights throughout the boat as well. Excellent helm area with protection from the wind, glassed in on both sides as well. We're going to move over towards the bow of the boat. On the port side, you're going to have your entry into the head area, which is well lit. Again, recessed railing, accented lighting throughout the boat, and recessed cleats as well. When we work our way up to the front, we got a beautiful lounger here. And underneath the lounger, you have plenty of storage. You also have your leg for your table and your dive ladders. And then you have more storage under here, a nice insulated box, very deep. And another thing that's really nice this year is the cushions on the Scout are actually magnetic. So they just sit right in place, makes it very easy to use. On both sides you have additional insulated storage. This boat's equipped with a windlass anchor, and there's 4 more cup holders / rod holders in the front. And if you'd like to see this boat or any of our other products, my name is Scott Cameron at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey.